5th September 2020 has almost come to an end, and during the whole day we were receiving messages and calls from our dear students with very wonderful and beautiful wishes. And it is in the fitness of things that I have decided to speak a few words addressing my very loved students. Firstly, like many other events during the last 5.5 months, Teachers' Day 2020 has also been quite different, quite exceptional this time, thanks to the outbreak of COVID-19. And there is a blessing in disguise in many things. This Teachers' Day 2020 is not an exception in this regard, because of late we have noticed that Teachers' Day has become almost like a birthday celebration, as if it is just a mere birthday celebration of Dr. Radhakrishnan. But what Radhakrishnan actually wanted is that when his students wanted to celebrate his birthday, he insisted that if they really wanted to celebrate his birthday, they should instead observe it or celebrate it as Teachers' Day. This means that celebration of birthday and celebration of Teachers' Day are not the same thing. But we have been into cutting of cakes and cheers a lot these days. So COVID-19 has this time at least compelled many of us to come out of that domain, out of that culture, out of that recent practices, and to observe it in a different way. And we have got many messages from many students, and some of them are really sad that they could not meet us, and some of them are they are having some kind of guilt that maybe they are not able to show their respect to us in the proper way. But what I believe is that teacher-student relation is something really, it is something unique. Firstly, it is not a relation just within the classrooms, nor it is a relation that is there as long as a student is studying somewhere in an institute in a formal way, nor is it a relationship till death. It is not only a lifelong relationship. To me, teacher-student relationship is something beyond life, because we people, we always try to inculcate goodness in our students' mind. We are not satisfied just by giving them textual knowledge, the bookish knowledge. We want to make them understand the objective of living life, the value of discipline and virtue, and love and friendship and fraternity, the very things which are not in at good health these days. Everywhere in the world we find that there is hatred, there is enmity, there is ill feeling, there is a lot of vices. So in addition to teaching you our academic chapters, we often try to instill in your mind goodness and love and discipline that the world really needs very much. So that is a legacy. And what I mean when I say that teacher-student relationship is something beyond death, it is something beyond life, what I mean is that after teachers die, they leave behind them some legacy of goodness, legacy of morality, legacy of virtue. And it is to the students that these good things, they get spread from individual to individual, from generation to generation. These good things go on spreading. And if we are able to spread this message of goodness, we are able to inculcate these virtues in your mind, then only the celebration or observation of Teachers' Day will become something in its true sense. And then only I think Dr. Radhakrishnan, it will be a real justice done to Dr. Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan was known for his philosophy, for his broad-mindedness, for his exemplary talent. And if we want to be his real disciples, his real followers, his real successors, then we have to give value and practice and propagate and spread the philosophy, the principle, the teaching that he loved so much, that he wanted to be spread. And if we are able to do that, then only it will be giving a real respect given to Dr. Radhakrishnan. And here also a lot depends on how you people take our message. If you people take our message in the positive way, I am very happy that many of the students, they really consider our relationship something really unique. The way they respond, the way they maintain the relation, the way they contact us, and the kind of messages that they send from time to time, the kind of friendship that they maintain with us. If we are able to spread this message of love and understanding and fraternity across the world, then only we will become the true successors of Radhakrishnan. Then only you people will become our real students in the true sense. Then only observation of Teachers' Day will really bear fruit. And I am sure that in the days to come, the messages, the legacy that you have received from your teachers, from us, you will carry this forward to wherever you go, with whomever you meet, you spend your time, and we all will be able to accomplish our task in a unified way, and then we can contribute our bit, we can make our contribution in making this world a better place for living for the generations to come. And then only our life as human beings will become true in its real sense. I wish you all the best. I express my love and gratitude to all of you for the love and respect that you have for us, and wishing you all the best. Let me conclude my speech here. Thank you very much.